Hi everyone, my name is Jovan and I'm with Community Connections in the Bow Valley.
And I'm Dila from Dila Patavi Photography, and we're here to show you how to join Zoom meeting by email invitation.
Great, let's start.
So before you get started, make sure your computer is fully charged or plugged in, and whenever you're ready to join the meeting, you can open up your email invitation, and from there you can find the link to join the Zoom meeting right here. And you can start the meeting by clicking the link. After clicking the link, it will tell you to either download or launch the app. In this case, I have downloaded the app. So now we can open up the Zoom app by clicking this button. If the Zoom app is not downloaded on your computer, then you will need to download it. To download, you will need to click on the download and run Zoom right here. Click that. After this, you can open up the file, and this will come out. You can then continue with the installation by clicking install. When the installation is successful, you will be able to join the meeting. If you can't or don't want to download the app, you can also click this button here to join from your browser. This will take you to the meeting automatically. And this video preview will pop up, and you can click this join with video button. And to join the meeting with your computer audio, you can also click this one. Hi, Javon.
Hi Dila,
How are you?
good yourself?
I'm good. Can you hear me okay and see me okay?
Yep, of course.
Perfect. So once you're in the meeting, you can start the video and mute your microphone from the lower left hand corner, just like here. So to mute your microphone, you can click the mute button, just like that. You can unmute it again. Or you can stop the video by clicking the stop video button right here. And you can click it again to start the video again. Please make sure to mute your microphone when you're not speaking and unmute it when you're speaking. And if your microphone doesn't work, you can type your questions and answers in the Zoom group chat by clicking the chat box, just like here. And this window will open up and you can type your questions. Perfect. And you can also share your computer screen with others while talking to them. For example, if you want to share documents or any other information from your computer, you can click the share screen button right here. And then you can choose the window that you would like to share by clicking the window and clicking the share button. Javon, can you now see my screen?
Yep, I I can see your screen. I think you've tried to share your Facebook page.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, perfect.
That's perfect. And to exit the share screen window, you can stop the share by clicking the red button on the top, just like so. Can you see my screen again? Can you still
Not anymore. I can only see you right now.
Perfect. Thank you, Javon.
You're welcome. Thanks. It was nice talking to you.
Thank you. And to leave the meeting, you can click the leave meeting button just on the right hand side right here. Alright everybody, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoy the video and find it useful. And Javon, is there anything else you'd like to add?
No, I just want to say thank you, Dila, for volunteering to show us how to join a Zoom meeting by email invitation. And thanks everyone for watching. And if you have any questions about this video, please email us at community.connections@banff.ca. And please don't forget to like and share this video. See you on our next video destination.